Hello, this is day 9 of the July Game Jam that I'm doing, and before I show anything that I've done over the last 2 days, I'm just going to clarify something. So I did mention, I think in the first video, that we were trying to do this in a time frame, and like by the 19th we're trying to have it finished, and to a degree that still applies, because I start my next TAFE course on the 19th, and I mean, it's the 16th today, and I've pretty much got the majority of the game fleshed out as it is. But yeah, so even after that point, we're going to continue to work on this game and keep it as a learning project, because it's rolling along quite nicely, and yeah, if I can get all the framework fleshed out and done by the time I'm ready to go to TAFE, hand it over to Matt, and he can just put in all the art, and then we'll tweak it from there. But anyway, I'll show you what I've done over the last 2 days. So the main thing that I have been working on is the buy system. So there's a sound, as you may have noticed, for the buy menus. So this works now, so with your points at the top. So I can go weapon and then choose range. That's obviously going to make me be able to shoot further. At the moment, for testing purposes, I can shoot pretty much as far as I want, but when the game art starts going in with the range, whenever you shoot like that, there'll be a beam that comes out of the gun, and it'll be different color depending on like what target you're shooting or what button you're pressing, and then that will create a particle effect at the end of it, depending on how far the range is, obviously. Intensity is like the intensity of the effect, or how intense the effect is, the speed effect is on each NPC. So if I was to go intensity and then like shoot these guys, he like pretty much slows right down now, and the blue one speeds a lot more, a lot quicker. And so then if I go by weapon time, that's just going to change the amount of time that the speed affects him for, essentially. So yeah, it affects him a bit longer. So the other thing I want to show is, if I bring up the build menu and go defense and then pick barricade or turret, I can pick barricade, and you can pick level 1, 2 or 3. I'll just go level 2 for now, because that's sort of the medium sized one. That, anywhere you look at that, that's like sort of where you can place them if a mesh shows up. So if I click, then the barricade is instantiated. So the friendlies can run right through that, and like depending on the upgrade level of the barricade, you know, it'll block different amounts of enemies. And then if I was to go and buy a turret, and then we'll just go level 1, and then that's sort of there, sort of in the corners, there's some, yeah, there as well, so I can click that. They haven't got a script yet, but the top will rotate and take out a certain amount of enemies before being destroyed, unless it's like a level 3, which will like just shut down for a period of time before starting back up, shooting a certain amount of enemies, and yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it at this stage. Not enough points if you haven't got enough points, and then you can cancel out of it, and then yeah. But yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching.